This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities.
Introducing for the first time, the first ever double nozzle 3D pen. The 3D Scribbler Duo, now easier than ever to build bigger and better 3D creations. Bring your imagination to life as your own creation literally comes off the page.
Dobot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. Dobot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. With these standardized, easy-to-change heads, you can easily turn this power into productivity. Like 3D printing, it can print your product with fluency and details. 2 colors? No problem. Or use laser to engrave your unfading masterpiece. Or do sophisticated soldering, customizing your PCB circuit board better than a pro. Besides being multifunctional, Dobot M1 is also easy to master and develop. Dobot M1 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. You can connect to multiple arms at once and control them via our app on PC or smartphone. With a force-sensitive 3D mouse, you can control Dobot M1 as precisely as you want. No more trying and guessing on a confusing software. With its handhold teaching feature, you can input coordinates in the fastest and most intuitive way. Dobot M1 is programmable via the integrated APIs. You can use official or self-built developing environment, or use this visualized programming interface, making things a lot easier. But we don't stop here. Dobot M1 is highly extendable. There are no limits to your imagination on it. The maximum reach of Dobot M1 is 400 millimeters, which is enough for most of the situations. But why don't we think bigger, when it can actually go further? or use a camera for visual. With its fast and accurate image recognizing algorithm, it can distinguish colors without making one mistake. Dobot M1 loves companions. They can work seamlessly together, processing paperwork way faster than humans could. Ultimately, Dobot M1 is built to replace manpower in production line, working day and night non-stop. The built-in mapping and path planning system provides this excellent mobility, providing inventory management service in your warehouse. To be able to create so much value, Dobot M1 has been built with extraordinary performance. The perfect calibration of the high-performance DC servo motor, harmonic reducer, and kinematic algorithm has brought out the best of both strength and speed. Repeatability of 0.02 millimeters. Maximum payload of up to 1.5 kilograms. Angular speed of up to 200 degrees per second. It's also a steady player, never slips up. Everyone loves creating things, and having a robotic arm is awesome. With Dobot M1, it's no longer a giant business's privilege to use professional robotic arms. Everyone can now benefit from a cost-effective, user-friendly robotic arm technology. So when a new idea hits you, Dobot M1 will be ready. All you have to do is say yes.
Designing starts from a small idea to an incredibly magical one, and we love to bring our incredibly magical design to life. The 3D printer is amazing. For the last several years, it has enormously boosted our efficiency, led it possible to make extraordinary things real. Now, introducing Clay XYZ, an incredible 3D clay printer, bringing your remarkable design to real-life object. Everyone can use it to let your imagination run wild. Make your own creative artwork. No matter what you are designing, from building models, vases, cups, bowls, lampshades, sculptures, to even musical instruments, Clay XYZ can help you realize all of them. You can lighten up your life by using the artworks printed by yourself and drinking with your own printed cup. Isn't that amazing? Also, Clay XYZ comes with a 3D model library, allowing you to enjoy the fun of creating artworks, even without any experience of 3D design. Just load the clay, download the model, and start. Done. The standardized process of loading clay is as simple as changing a battery. You are able to choose different clays to deliver different styles. Also, you can glaze the artwork if you want it more fascinating. Glaze it with different colors, then fire it via kiln. Extremely stunning. Besides, you can repair the clay printed artwork. Don't worry about making it worse. Melt it in the water and reuse the material. Pretty environment friendly. Now, we have created an easy-to-use extrusion device. This device can be compatible with many existing FDM 3D printers. It can boost the clay print speed by 15% and enhance print precision from 2mm up to 0.8mm. The coolest thing is no more worry about the cost of print material. The clay is accessible for everyone. We are very excited about what we've built so far, and we'd like to invite you to enjoy the innovative life with us. Now we need your support to bring the magical Clay XYZ to life. Please back us on Kickstarter today.
3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects. Or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.